and PowerPoint sobre remedios naturales españoles por Jill Fox y Laura Wagner para nuestra clase de español de primavera 2018. Esperamos que os guste. Welcome to the PowerPoint presentation about Hispanic natural remedies by Jill Fox and Laura Wagner for our spring 2018 Spanish class. We hope you enjoy. There are a multitude of natural or homeopathic remedies that Hispanic people may utilize even today as treatments for different symptoms or disease processes. These therapies are passed down from generation to generation, but generally originate from a combination of rituals of indigenous Aztec people and the religious influence of Catholicism from the 16th century. As we care for our Hispanic patients, we need to be aware that they may describe certain illnesses or symptoms as hot, caliente, or cold, frío. Some examples of a hot illness include those seen on the slide, as well as mal de ojo, or evil eye, sore throat, or infection, or pregnancy, and these may be treated with an herbal cold tea. Additional examples of a cold illness that may be treated with a hot herbal tea would be cancer or colic. These folks may seek the services of healers or curanderos. Depending on the particular illness they may be suffering from, they may also seek the assistance of the other specialties listed on the slide. Herbalist or herbera, bone setter or huisero, midwife or partera, a physical therapist, or sobradores. Hispanics have a history of using alternative therapies such as herbs, plants, botanicals, and foods. According to this study, Hispanics may get their alternative therapies from gardens, relatives, and friends, by mail order, or by local retail establishments. And they use these herbs in different forms, such as topical treatments, herbal medicines, and foods for medicine or therapy. This study also claims that 30% of Latinos regularly use herbal medicines, with the most common uses being as shown on the slide. Hispanics may use these natural medications to cover primary health needs, and many keep these traditions after migrating to the United States or other countries. Even though in the United States we have readily available fast-acting medications, many Latinos hold on to traditions for historic and cultural reasons. And many withhold the use of these traditional treatments from their physicians due to lack of knowledge or previous lack of respect. Another study showed 65% of Hispanics over the age of 45 believe herbal remedies and supplements are somewhat effective. 62% admit to occasional use, 27% to once a week or more, 16% claim everyday use. 70% of Hispanics in this study did not consult healthcare professionals prior to use. The following slides are some of the most used herbal remedies, according to an article written by Flor Rodriguez in 2016. As a reminder, people should always consult their physician before attempting to use any herbs or supplements for therapeutic treatment. The first one, noted here, prickly pear, also known as nopal. Its uses are listed on the slide, and side effects as well. Next we have mint, or hierbera buena. Uses are listed, as well as some effects of utilizing mint. The next one is chaparral or gobernadora, creosote. Uses are listed on the slide, as well as some possible toxic side effects, incidences of hepatitis, cirrhosis, and fatal liver failure. Dandelion is the next natural remedy. It is a common flower, of course. Its uses and side effects are listed on the slide. Verbascum, or Gordelobo, uses are listed on the slide. Respiratory tract diseases, intestinal bleeding, migraine, gout, kidney disorders, and sleep disorders. The next one is chamomile, or manzanilla. This is one of the most widely used plants for the preparation of natural remedies and infusions. Side effects and uses are listed on the slide. Next is nettle leaves, also known as the stinging nettle. Is a weedy plant used for alternative therapy, as listed on the slide, and side effects are listed as well. Passion flower, and that's a flower used in alternative therapy for anxiety, nervousness, insomnia, as well as other uses. Adverse effects are also listed on the slide. As a reminder of this passion flower, toxic effects may be seen on the pancreas and liver. And aloe vera, or Zabia, is a plant used in alternative therapies for gastrointestinal illnesses, as you can see, laxative, diabetes, asthma, also skin burns related to exposure to sun or cold. Interestingly, the side effects may be hypoglycemia, side effect of aloe vera. The next couple of slides include our Spanish vocabulary words. We certainly hope that you enjoyed our presentation and that you gained a little more understanding about the natural remedies that our Hispanic population may be using.